Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to regenerate any image using Google Gemini. So this would be a really wonderful video. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. Firstly you have to go to gemini.google.com. So go to one of your browser and paste the link. I will put the link in the video description. From there you will get it. So I have, as you can see this, I have sign in here, and firstly you have to go to setting, and there you will get James option. So click on James and you will come into this interface. So here you have to create new gem. So to create new gem, you have to click on new gem. So click on this, and here you have to write recreate image prompt, and you have to copy this and paste this in the box. And here you have to provide instructions for generating image. So you will get the instruction from here. So I will put this prompt in the video description. From there you will get it. So copy the prompt and paste it into this box, and then you have to click on save. So click on save. So it is saving the gem, and you will get into this interface. You have to click on start gem, and I will upload an image. Click on upload files, click on this image, and then click on this submit. So regenerate the prompt of this image. As you can see this, it is successfully provide me the prompt of this image. Now I will recreate this image. So to recreate this you have to click on new chat. So from this new interface you have to create an image. So click on plus icon and click on upload files and upload this photo, and I will paste the prompt, and then I have to click on this create image and then submit. I have already provided the, so you can see this is really amazing, and it has regenerated the image. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.